What have I not touched yet? I haven't touched this. Answer keys.
Well, that's not going to be too exciting for you since it's a free trial,
I was wondering about that.
but you will notice that they're not available on free accounts. And this is to prevent students from signing up for a free trial and having access to all the answer keys.
Excellent. So the only way to have access to the answer keys is to have a paid account with Flangoo.
Correct. So we'd have to log in with a paid account to really get a clip of what that looks like.
Well, that's okay. We don't really need to see that. I just wanted to show that you won't get an answer key just by signing up so that they're a little bit more relaxed and thinking, all right, what if a student just signs up? That was too easy. Well,
Oh, okay.
they won't have it, so you're okay.
Right.
You're good. All right.
Flangoo.com